Are you thinking about investing in Edmonton real estate and you're wondering what kind of opportunities there are in this city? Well, I'm outside one of them right now because I'm hanging out with some investors from the GTA. We're checking out a couple different places, this one included, which we'll go inside in a bit, as well as talk about the numbers because cash flow is ultimately the most important thing, right? I think even if you live in the GTA or the Vancouver area, you'll find it interesting what you can get in Edmonton, something like this, how close it is to downtown, and how much it costs compared to where you live. If you've been to the channel before, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Mike Banks, and on this channel we talk about all things real estate. So if you're into that kind of content, make sure you subscribe to this channel. I'm a licensed real estate professional in Edmonton with RE/MAX Excellence. So if after watching this video you have any questions about investing in Edmonton real estate or the Edmonton real estate market in general, feel free to reach out to me however you're comfortable because I respect that. You can call me, you can email me, you can text me, and my contact information will be in the description below. So we're outside this opportunity right now. Like I said, I have some people in from the GTA right now. We're looking at a couple different opportunities, and this building is one of them. I say building because it's a fourplex. It's not a single house. It's actually 4 individual units. Let's talk about the area first. So this building is in the neighborhood of Inglewood, which, if I'm being honest, like I always am on this channel, there's certain pockets of Inglewood that I would not buy in and I would avoid. This particular part isn't that bad. Inglewood has a lot of good things going for it too. So stuff like this was built in 2019. If you drive around this area, and especially in this part right here, there's a lot of new infill development because it's more desirable, and there's a lot of gentrification going on. Downtown Edmonton is less than 10 minutes from this location, just southeast from here, which is pretty crazy to think about. So the building's listed, it's listed for $1.68 million. 10 minutes to downtown Vancouver or Toronto. What you would get versus here in Edmonton, it's pretty crazy. Like I said, it's a building, it's a fourplex, 4 separate units built in 2019. The 2 interior units are 3 bedrooms upstairs. So there's a powder room on the main floor. You'll see all that in a bit. But the 2 exterior units are 2 bedrooms upstairs. There's a 4-car garage. So each unit gets its own bedroom, its own garage. Now, at the end of the video, we'll talk about the cash flow numbers and whether I would invest in this or not. Personally, just giving you my honest opinion. I'll tell you right now, I wouldn't, because what I think a miss is with this particular opportunity is the basements do not have legal basement suites. You can find buildings like this in Edmonton that are legally fourplexes, so 4 separate units above ground, but then they also have basement suites in each unit. So technically, they're an A-plex, and the cash flow numbers on those buildings are extremely strong. Enough talking about it, let's go look at it, okay? So pretty nice main floor, nice and open, nice new kitchen, living room in the front. There's a powder room, little half bath off here, and then upstairs, which we'll go check out right now actually, we've got 3 bedrooms. Like I said, you have 3 bedrooms, a full bathroom up here. Let's actually check out the primary bedroom. Doesn't seem to be too bad of a size. It's got a walk-in closet and then its own 3-piece ensuite. So shower, toilet, sink. Now, what everybody cares about as an investor is the numbers. So let's talk about the cash flow. I'll head back to my computer to do that right now. And we're back at my computer talking about the most important thing, the numbers. Do the numbers make sense? So quick disclaimer, guys, I'm not a financial planner. I'm not an investment advisor. So always, always, always do your own due diligence and research and seek professional advice before making any investment decision. I'm just giving you my opinion on this opportunity through the lens of my own lens of being a real estate investor myself, whether I would purchase this opportunity in this market or not. Now, as I said before, the listing is listed at 1.68 million, so $1,680,000. I haven't, in full disclosure, I have not seen the pro forma myself. However, right in the public remarks, it is being advertised, and talking to the listing agent, the cap rate is 4.65%. So I can work that backwards with the listing price and determine that the net operating income, the NOI, is $78,120. First things first, 4.65% cap rate. I think it's a little bit of a rich valuation on this building. It's more than I would want to pay. And it's not that I'm an investor, you know, investors always want to pay as little as possible. It's just, I truly think the valuation is a little bit rich for the area, and given that it doesn't have the legal basement suites. Again, I said earlier as well, I think that is a big miss on this opportunity. Is it's a four-plex, but the basements aren't legal basement suites, so essentially technically an eight-plex. That's more what would get me excited, is if there were basement suites, legal basement suites in the basement. This one doesn't have it. And those opportunities do exist in the Edmonton market. They are getting snapped up pretty quickly. For example, there was a building, a fourplex with basement suites, still under construction though, in a better area, listed at $1.7 million, and it was pending first day on market. So this one has been on for, I think, 26 days at the time of this recording, and it's not pending yet. So it just kind of goes to show you that the market is speaking a little bit, and I think it's a little bit overvalued. Now, I'm not saying it's a bad investment for you. It might absolutely make sense for you. It's just not what I would be looking for myself. So if you have any questions about investing in Edmonton real estate or the Edmonton real estate market in general, again, feel free to reach out to me. I am a licensed real estate professional in Edmonton. Call me, email me, text me, however you're comfortable communicating. I'd love to hear from you. My contact information will be in the description below. And make sure you subscribe to this channel for more content like this. We're talking all kinds of Edmonton real estate and investment opportunities here. Good ones, bad ones, everything, right? Just kind of showing you everything that I can about this market here in Edmonton. I'll see you in the next video.